Everyone, welcome to Adam's Apple Tech Guide YouTube channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. In this video, you'll be able to add different weather locations. First, go into Weather. Then press the long 3 lines at the bottom. Then it will bring you to this. Then press the magnifying glass. I'm going to add London, England. And then you've got a selection along here that you need to tap on to be able to add them. Then tap Add. If it's not the correct one, then tap Cancel. It will appear at the bottom. Here's how to move them around. All you need to do is hold down on the one you want to move. For me, it is London. Until it goes transparent, then you can move it up and down and place it where you want by just letting go. And if you want to change the temperature, all you need to do is tap on the F to change it to Fahrenheit, or tap on the C to change it to degrees. Then tap on any one of these to make it go back to normal. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.